This might sound crazy, but listen, right? What if instead of giving the candidate of president of Indonesia a few months to do the campaign, we can give them 3 years of campaign, right? So this candidate, perhaps we select like 10 candidates from 10 party, and they go online explaining his idea and get question, and we see his real life, we see his idea, his vision, and so on and so on. So we know him. So we know our leader. I mean, this is the purpose of internet, right? Democracy is so easy because of internet. It's supposed to be easy, but no, we don't use the internet for its purpose. What's going on is we give this candidate a 10 minute of speech, and that's all. That's how we chose our leader, the leader of this nation. Is by judging their 10 minutes of speech. It's all performative, it's all fake, it doesn't mean anything. It's merely a writing. You can have a good writing, you can have a good idea, but I don't know you, right? This is why I never chose, I never nyoblos. I don't know what the English. I never do. Yeah, you get me. Because I don't see the point, because I don't know him. I don't know Jokowi, I don't know Prabowo, I don't know him as a person. I mean, the purpose of internet should be so we can use our leader better. I want you, if you want to become president, I want to know you. Perhaps you can make a vlog, explain your idea, explain everything about you. What makes you so special that you can be the leader of this nation? Because I need to know your vision. I don't care about your title, your experience, your background. I don't give a fuck about all of that. What is your vision? What is your idea? And what can you do to achieve that idea? That's what's actually important. So yeah, I think we need to give the candidate of presidency a 3 years of campaign so they could go online and then explain their idea and get questioned.